The funny Chef Lebo Tlokwana has spoken out against tribalism in the entertainment industry. She recently went to a YouTube podcast which is called the Popcorn Podcast with Pops, where she shocked many people when she revealed that she was actually fired from a show called Our Perfect Wedding as a presenter of the show because she could not speak IsiZulu. You guys, Leo detailed how the producers had fired her because of her inability to speak Zulu. She also detailed how she had sunk into depression for 3 months after being fired, how she lost all her brand endorsement deals, and how she had gotten bullied by a troll who had then called her fat, you guys. So let me not waste your time. Please check out this video and do engage with me in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. So here's the video.
Banko ba kwa perfect wedding e bohloko jwang wena ba ke tsebise Zulu go baneng mara yo that was you I was broken. I was depressed for 4 months. I didn't want to leave the house. I didn't want to talk to anybody. My mom was worried that I'm going to duck myself, dog. It was that deep. Ne? The people that I worked with loved me enough to tell me, Hura, this is what's happening. The viewers are not happy. Ne? And if they are not happy, channel is not going to be happy. Which is okay. As a presenter, you need to know, you know, it was fair. It was really fair. I just didn't expect it so soon. Because I was trying. Senbonani, Liapila, It was bad. It was really, really bad. So I never went on Twitter to go and see because I knew it was bad. Up until they did an article about me. Then I saw it on Facebook. Yeah.
No, it found you.
Yeah, it found me chilling. Abasamfuni bathi isiZulu siyamhlula bafuna uban I get isiZulu ne mara dake badile mola kara
you're like okay yeah
mara mo bare abamfuni man
abamfuni means
why kesafuneki kantina then I get the call, hey dog, we're gonna have to let you go. Thank you very much for contributing. Then the hate started coming up. Yeah, vele, and she's fat, yo, and she can't dress, yo, yeah. You feel it. Whether you are strong, you will feel it. Yeah. Then I became very sad and when one thing goes wrong, everything else goes wrong.
Yep.
Campaign started pulling out. Wena. Yo, guys.
Kasi Zulu fella.
Kere si Zulu singile so. Si Zulu. Kaithuta si Zulu he motivation nge. Khona manje senginja ndo.
Which one is this one?
What the Georgia? No. It's so funny.
That's crazy.
Scissoring.
So much.